In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google Docs. If you've ever wanted to add a clean standalone block of text inside a Google Doc, something you can position exactly where you want, using a text box is the way to go. We'll create one with the built-in drawing tool, so you don't need any add-ons. Start by opening your Google Docs file so you can see the document you want to work on. Make sure your cursor is roughly where you'd like the text box to appear. Then look to the top menu bar and choose Insert. This menu is where Google Docs keeps everything you can add to a page, and it's the doorway to the drawing editor we'll use. From Insert, select Drawing. You'll see a small sub-menu, Choose New. That opens a separate blank drawing canvas. Think of this canvas as a mini design space layered on top of your document. Anything you create here will drop into the page as a single movable object. On the drawing toolbar, click the text box icon. Your cursor will change to a crosshair. Click and drag to draw the text box to the size you want. Don't worry about getting the dimensions perfect right now. You can resize it later by dragging the blue handles on the edges. Once the box is on the canvas, click inside it and type your text. You can select the text and use the formatting controls in the toolbar to adjust the font, size, weight, color, or alignment so it matches your document style. If your sentence runs longer than the box, just pull a corner to expand it until everything fits comfortably. When you're happy with how it looks, go to the upper right and click Save and Close. The drawing is added to your document exactly where your cursor was, and you'll see your text box appear as a single object on the page. And that's it, you're done. If you ever need to tweak the wording or formatting, double-click the text box to reopen the drawing editor and make changes. You can also drag the box to reposition it, or use the handles to resize it without reopening. This approach keeps your layout tidy while giving you precise control over placement.